Welcome back to Blue's Garden. Today I want to talk about an awesome compost recipe. I'm working in a space about 1 meter square, about 3 feet by 3 feet. I've got it wrapped in a wire fence with a little bit of cardboard around it. And basically the recipe is this. You're making a lasagna of green and browns. Green stuff is nitrogen. Any green leaves, green grass, green plants. Brown stuff is dead leaves, dead sticks and twigs, really small stuff, and clean shredded paper or cardboard. That counts as browns. And basically all you're doing is layering like you do with lasagna. One green, one brown, one green, one brown. It's literally that simple. Layering stuff one layer upon another. For me, I turn it about once a week. I turn this compost pile for the first month or so. And by then it starts to get too cold. It's frozen. The ground is frozen. So it's fine. I leave it until spring when I start turning it at once every couple of weeks. I let my compost bin sit for about a year and I rotate every other year. Next spring, I will use the one from a year and a half ago. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.